In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a cross-account copier in Monday.com. Let's dive in and explore how you can efficiently copy information across accounts using this powerful tool. To get started, you're going to navigate to Monday.com. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right of your screen to find the Login button. Simply click on it to begin the process of accessing your account. Now, once you've reached the login page, you'll see several options to sign in. For a seamless experience, click on the Google option and proceed to select your preferred Google account. This will grant you quick and secure access to your Monday.com workspace. After successfully logging in, turn your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll notice a plus icon. Clicking this is your first step in setting up a new folder to organize your data. When you click the plus icon, a menu will appear. Here, you'll want to select Folder to create a new space where you can store and categorize your boards. Once your folder is created, you can easily move any board that you wish to duplicate into this folder by simply dragging and dropping it. This action is crucial as it sets the stage for the cross-account copying process. Next, head to your profile, which is conveniently located in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and you will find an administration option. Selecting this will open up a range of administrative tools and settings tailored to help you manage your workspace effectively. In the administration panel, you'll see an option labeled Cross-Account Copier. Go ahead and click on this. It's the feature that will allow you to seamlessly copy your folder's content from one account to another. Now that you are in the cross-account copier interface, it's time to select the folder you just created. This folder contains the boards you want to duplicate. Once you've selected your folder, the next step is to specify the destination account. Type the name of the account into the provided field to ensure your copied data lands in the right place. With everything set up, click on the Continue button. This action initiates the copying process. Now, it's just a matter of waiting for the system to work its magic. Depending on the size of your folder and your internet speed, this might take a few moments. Once completed, your data will be effectively multiplied across accounts, saving you time and effort. And there you have it, a straightforward, step-by-step guide to using the cross-account copier feature in Monday.com. This tool can be invaluable for streamlining your workflows and enhancing productivity. Thank you for joining, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you to take full advantage of Monday.com's features.